Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I have a very special video for you, and that is a full stock portfolio reveal. So every once in a while, I like to do a full portfolio reveal because I feel like it keeps me and the YouTube channel honest, and it's a good way to disclose my positions to the community, as well as see what my return on investments are, as well as the total money that I have in the market. So I started investing heavily about a year ago when the pandemic hit. And since then, again, I'm excited to announce that I have made a 61% return on my investments. So not only do I like to go through each of my positions, but also the mindset that I take towards investing and what lets me achieve above average returns on the stock market. So before we get into it, please be sure to smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and also check out a couple of referral links down below. So for example, if you want to join a free Discord, again, that's linked down below, as well as if you're Canadian and you want a referral link to Wealthsimple, which is Canada's first $0 commission trading app. You can also get $10 towards your next purchase via my Wealthsimple referral link. All right, so let's get right into it. So this is just a summary slide of how much I have currently in the market. And as you can see right now, I have a little bit over 30 grand Canadian in total invested. And in my TD, TFSA through Webroker, I have about 26 grand in stocks and about 1200 in cash. And in my Wealthsimple account, I have about 1300 invested in stocks and about 1400 in cash, for a total of $27,000 in stocks and about $2,700 in cash. And again, I like to keep around 10% of my money in cash because cash is king. Okay, and so that allows me to pounce on any opportunity to buy any dips. All right, and these are my total returns, about 61% in my TFSA through TD and about close to 2% in my TFSA through Wealthsimple. And the much lower return in my Wealthsimple account is because I just started the account like 1 or 2 months ago, so I haven't had a chance to accumulate significant returns. And I also have a little bit of money in crypto, specifically in Ethereum, just for fun, okay? I thought I'd join the crypto revolution and put in a little bit of money there, okay? But that's not a significant amount of my portfolio, and if Ethereum or crypto or Bitcoin dips, I'll probably put more money in there. If we go to the total return over the past 12 months through my TD Webroker, and that's combining both my Canadian and US stocks, I have made 61%, as can be seen here, over the past 12 months, whereas the S&P TSX Composite Total Return Index made about 60%, so basically up there with mine, and the S&P 500 Total Return Index made 42% over the past 12 months. Year to date, I made about an 8% return, which is lagging a little bit behind the S&P TSX Composite Index, but still above the S&P 500 index of 2.74%. So in my Wealthsimple account, you can see I have $2,856 in total. And again, crypto, one position, and that's Ethereum, and I'm down by about $2.65 on a $100 investment. And through my TFSA, these are my positions. I like Wealthsimple because you can invest in a minority of shares without paying any commission. So for example, in Apple, I just have one share, and this is my total all-time return. Corsair Gaming, which is a gaming company in tech and hardware, I just have one share. Greenland Renewables, you can see H2O Innovation, which is my best performer to date at 49%. Kirkland Lake, which is a gold company that I really like. Neo, Score Media and Gaming, and then Tattooed Chef. I have 8 shares of Tattooed Chef. And this also allows me to cost average downward if there's a significant move in a stock downwards, okay? So let's say Apple goes to $115, I might buy one more share of Apple. So next we'll go through some of the stocks that I recently sold. And year to date here, this is the range from 1st of January to the 19th of March. You can see that I've sold my shares of Churchill Capital, or CCIV. This is the company that's going to be merging with Lucid, which is a luxury EV maker. And I have gained $1,000 on that investment, and that's in US dollars. I had a dividend of $5.38 from Kirkland Lake, and I've also sold my position in Tesla. I only had 2 shares, and I made 1,000 Canadian dollars off of that, as well as a dividend in Walgreens for $15. I sold Tesla when it was around $800, and potentially I might buy back in if it dips below $500. In my Canadian holdings, I own Kirkland Lake and Planet 13 Holdings. Kirkland Lake is a gold company. I own 23 shares. Right now, I'm sitting at a loss of $577. However, that is made up by Planet 13, which is in the MJ space, and I'm sitting at a nice 90% return of $579. So that's just my Canadian holdings in my TD TFSA. For my US holdings, I have way more positions. As we can see, my total return is $488 if I sold everything right now, and these are just my top losers. So Hyliion, which has been hit really, really hard in the past couple of weeks, I'm down by 52%. So that even tops NAT, the big oil tanker company, which has been losing and bleeding money, okay? So down 52% or $863 on Hyliion. NAT down 36% or $721. Corsair Gaming down 21% on that company. Apex Technology, which is basically a play on Microsoft Office and the cloud and providing security solutions, I'm down 13% on that. And a lot of my tech stocks are down because they've been hit so hard as the yields in the 10-year bonds have been increasing, which basically makes tech stocks get hit the hardest. Okay, but I'm not selling any of these positions. In fact, I may even consider buying more of Hyliion and even Corsair Gaming at these prices. I own Verizon Communications down $52. This is a pretty big position at $2,300, and that's a big dividend play for me. Okay, and also Warren Buffett owns some Verizon Communications. I also own Solo, which is another EV company that has been hit pretty hard, sitting at a loss of close to $90. And finally, I own Alibaba, another tech stock, and it's basically the Amazon of China. I also recently have bought some shares of BFT, which is a SPAC that's reverse merging with PaySafe, one of the leading paying platforms of iGaming and also other industries. So this is basically the leading edge of fintech. I also bought back into CCIV at around $21, and again, sitting at a 19% gain of $85 on that one. Dropbox, a play on the cloud. I'm up by 31% on that, or $259. Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's conglomerate company, I'm up by 24% or close to $400. Walgreens, up another 30% on that, $466, also a pretty big dividend player, and I'm going to be holding Walgreens for some time. Finally, again, Slack Technologies, I have 40 shares of those, up 55% for a total of $579. And my largest winner in my portfolio right now is the FB, and a recent 4% rise because Zuckerberg, which some actually debate is an alien, went on to say that Apple's new privacy issues wouldn't affect their business model as much and they'll actually be better off for it. So right now, sitting at a nice 65% gain on Facebook shares. Okay, so that's my full portfolio. Let me know what you think about this portfolio. Again, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already to my channel. I like to invest in stocks, talk about finances, and look for opportunities in the markets. Take care. Again, be sure to check out the Discord link, the Wealthsimple link. See you later, and I love you all.